Having a great design idea is just the beginning. To successfully create your product, you need software that is an extension of your imagination, creating a natural flow that allows you to concentrate on the design, not the software. You need something fast. You need to stay connected. You need a tool that just works. You need Autodesk Inventor at the heart of your development process. Inventor helps you get the job done fast. Interruptions are removed, repetitive tasks are eliminated, and the performance of Inventor means your ideas come to life quickly. But what is speed without quality? You need the job done right, as well as fast. You'll also have the flexibility to approach every design challenge with the appropriate tools, so you can model what you want, how you want. Inventor helps you reach the best possible design every time, using tools that can simulate, optimize, and even generate geometry based on the real-world conditions your product will see every day. Staying connected with the entire team, both inside and outside your company, is essential in a modern product development process. This starts with keeping tabs on every piece of design data that gets created. That's why we include Autodesk Vault Product Data Management software with Inventor. Staying connected also means exchanging design data with suppliers and customers. With Inventor, non-native data needs no translation, so you can work with anyone, anywhere, regardless of what CAD software they use. Inventor also makes it simple to share your ideas and collect feedback from key stakeholders, regardless of where they are. Stunning rendering capabilities flawlessly present your vision, and cloud-based design reviews get more people involved in the design process. And Inventor is far more than just CAD. By adding CAM, simulation, PDM, and visualization capabilities that work right inside Inventor, you can round out your development process with the specialized tools you need, all in one place. With sophisticated design capability, built-in collaboration tools, and unrivaled compatibility, Inventor will be at the heart of your design process, helping you reach the best engineering decisions so you can make great products.